Chapter 12. Food and Feeding Habits. Lesson View. Need for food. Eating habits of animals. Food chain. Care of domestic animals. Feeding habits of animals. Need for food. We all know that we need food to stay alive. Likewise, animals also need food to stay alive. They also need food to grow, to get energy, and to stay strong and healthy. Many animals help us with our work. Food keeps them strong to do work. Animals getting enough food become healthier than the ones who do not get proper food. Eating habits of animals. Different animals eat different kinds of food. The food items that animals eat regularly from their eating habits. Some animals eat plants, some animals eat other animals, while some eat both plants and other animals. Based on their eating habits, animals can be divided into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Teaching tips. Encourage the students to have healthy food. Tell them about different eating habits of animals. Also tell them not hurt animals. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants, fruits, and vegetables are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Sheep, buffalo, cow, horse, and so on are examples of herbivores. Carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Tiger, lion, leopard, wolf, and so on are examples of carnivores. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Dog, crow, humans, bear, and so on are examples of omnivores. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Vulture, jackal, and hyena are examples of scavengers. Feeding habits of animals. Different animals have different mouth parts depending on the type of food they eat. Gnawing. The word gnaw means to bite something repeatedly. Animals like squirrels, rat, and rabbits have very sharp front teeth. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruits with these teeth. Chewing the cud. Grass-eating animals like sheep, cows, and buffaloes cut and eat plants using their front teeth. They first swallow the food without chewing it. After some time, they bring it back into the mouth. Then they chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Fact file. Cows have no upper front teeth. There is a thick pad of skin in place of teeth. Tearing. Flesh-eating animals like lions, foxes, tigers, and dogs chew flesh and bones. So, they have very sharp, pointed, and curved front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. Swallowing. Some flesh-eating animals like snakes and frogs do not have teeth to bite or chew their food. They swallow their whole food. A frog catches and eats insects by shooting out its tongue. Earthworms swallow the soil to eat the remains of dead plants and animals mixed in it. Lapping. Some animals like cats and dogs drink milk or water with their tongue. This method is called lapping. Sucking. Mosquitoes, butterflies, and bees have a long and thin tube attached to their mouth. Mosquitoes use it to suck blood. Butterflies and bees use it to suck nectar from flowers. Leeches stick to the body of animals and humans to suck blood. They have a circular mouth and toothed jaw, which help in sticking onto the skin of the prey. Giraffes have long necks, which help them reach leaves on the top branches of tall trees. Elephants have a strong trunk to break off leaves and branches. They also use their trunk to suck water and then shoot it like a fountain into their mouths. Food chain. A food chain is a chain which shows the dependence of living things on each other for food. It is formed when plants are eaten by animals and then these animals are eaten by other animals. A food chain always starts with plants at the lowest level. This shows that all animals depend directly or indirectly on plants. For example, grasshopper eats grass, frog eats grasshopper, snake eats frog, and hawk eats snake. Care for domestic animals. Domestic animals are the ones which we keep for work and food. Animals such as horses, hens, cows, buffaloes, etc. help us in many ways. We should be kind to these animals and take proper care of their food, water, and shelter to keep them healthy. We should give them enough fresh grass, grains, pulses, etc. to eat and clean drinking water. Their shelter should be cleaned regularly. Sick animals should be taken to a veterinary doctor. Key terms: gnawing, biting something repeatedly; cud, partly digested food in the mouth of some animals; lapping, having food by licking through the tongue. Summing up: animals need food to grow, to get energy to do work, and to stay strong and healthy. Based on their food habits, animals can be broadly divided into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Animals that eat only plants, fruits, and vegetables are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. A food chain is the chain formed when plants are eaten by animals and then these animals are eaten by other animals. Domestic animals are the ones which we keep for work and food.